Hello professionals, welcome to this quick episode of your ICAN Starter Pack. It's like this quick episode is doing a thing these days. My name is Chidima Osigwe, AATACA. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking on this video again. And if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. Welcome on my channel. On today's episode, I'll be sharing with you how to confirm or how to check if you qualify for ICAN exemption or if your school qualifies for ICAN exemption. Okay, like I would always say, familiarize yourself with the ICAN website, ICANIG.org. I keep saying it. There are lots of opportunities on the ICAN website available to you, but you can only find out if you check. So to check if you qualify for exemption, you would have completed your student registration, your ICAN student registration, right? So the next step would be to go to the ICAN portal. You click on the exemption icon. You see a PDF file that you can download to see the different categories that are available, right, step by step per qualification. I'll be sharing my screen shortly so that you can follow me through step by step. So keep watching. Hi guys, so right about now I'm sharing my screen, and the first thing will be to go to the ICAN website, ICANIG.org. Like I always say, the ICAN website should be your best friend. So next thing will be to go to the student portal. Just click on become a student and it automatically takes you to the student portal. The next thing we want to do is we want to check the list of accredited institutions to know if your school falls into the category of accredited institution. This will help you know how many papers you qualify for exemption from, or if your school even qualifies for exemption, and what certificate year actually qualifies for this exemption. So once you click on that, it brings you here. You can see ICAN accredited tertiary institutions updated on September 2023. You'll be able to see if your school falls under this category, the year of first accreditation, the sessions covered in the accreditation, to know if you got your certificate in 2015, are you covered by this agreement, right? And the next date for the next accreditation, right? It's not enough to know that your school is ICAN recognized or ICAN accredited or has the MCA-TI agreement. You need to know what certificate year it applies to. You'll be able to know more about your certificate year and if it qualifies you for the exemption. For MCA-TI institutions, you'll be needing this information on item E on the ICAN exemption list as we go further. And for the ICAN accredited institutions, you'll be needing this information for item H on the ICAN exemption list as we go further. You would also have access to see the fees and other information. So the next thing will be to check if your school falls into the MCA-TI category and what year it covers. These are graduates that once they complete their BSc, they have some sort of exemption. They won't be starting from foundation level, or they might be starting from skills level and have some papers and have exemption from some papers in skills level, right? Or they are going to be writing just some papers in professional level depending on their agreement. That's why it's important that you check if your school falls into this category. Then you proceed to check the ICAN exemption list, right? So the first thing will be to check the accredited institutions and check the MCA-TI category. Then the next thing will be to click on exemption, click on professional, and it takes us right to the ICAN exemption professional site. Or you come down and you click on professional exemption guide. Once you click on professional, you come down, click on professional exemption guide. So that if you look at item E, you're exempted from all subjects in foundation and skills level, and you'll be paying 135,100 according to this information here. That means once your school falls under the MCTAI institution, they believe that your syllabus has covered most of this, right? Most of the papers you are supposed to write in foundation and skills level, and you'll be writing only the professional stage of this exam, right? So for the accredited institution item H, BSc and HND accounting obtained from ICAN accredited institutions, you'll be having exemption from all subjects in foundation, and you'll be having exemption from audit and assurance in the skills level, and you'll be paying the total sum of 80,100 naira. That means you're going straight to the skills level, and you would not be writing audit and assurance. In the skills level, you would also be able to check other degrees, BSc Economics, what you have exemption from, one paper in foundation level, BSc Actuarial Science, all of that information are available on this website. You would also see people with professional qualification, which category your professional qualification falls under, and how much you'll be paying as a result of obtaining that professional qualification, and where you'll be starting from, right? So after checking all of this, the next thing will be to see exemption rates per paper. This is just a summary to let you know, okay, foundation level, you're exempted from one paper, this is how much you're paying, two papers, three papers, four papers, depending on what category your certificate falls under, that we have checked already under the accredited institutions and the MCATI institutions, and then we've checked the comprehensive list. Then the next thing will be to proceed to make your exemption payment. So once you click there, it takes you to the payment portal. A transaction reference is generated for you. You input your registration number, your telephone number, and a valid email address. You come down, you click add to input what you're paying for. We're actually paying for ICAN exemption, right? You come to item, you select one. Yeah, exactly. You select professional exemption, you input the amount you're paying for, and then you proceed to pay. Then you proceed to pay. After payment, you come back to this website, and then you apply for induction. When after payment, a PIN and a serial number would have been generated for you. Input the PIN, input serial number, input your student registration number, your referee's membership number, your institution discipline, year of qualification, all of the information that you had checked and you saw that qualified you for this exemption. That's what you'll be inputting here. You'll be needing one referee, so you need to get your referee membership number. After filling all of that, don't forget to click on submit, and voila, you have completed your ICAN exemption registration all by yourself. Thank you all for watching this video till this time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. I know that these videos are doing something. Yes, because I keep getting messages in my DM per episode. Don't be shy to leave them under the comment section. I would see them. Even if you send them as a DM as well, I would see them. If you send me an email, I would definitely respond to them as well. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and I will bring you more episode. If there is an aspect of this video that I have not covered, you can leave the suggestion as well in the comment section, or you send me a DM about it. Until I come your way next time, my name is Chidima Osigwe, AAT ACA, and this is your ICAN Starter.